Practically all entries are selling. Away they go. One slow out. You Belong to Me. Left unseated, Miles Philippil on number 1, You Belong to Me. Tigerific from the outside, Atoy for us running by Drell. And on the outside is Royal Milestone. Tiago is racing import by about 4 lengths. Tigerific, Atoy for us, Royal Milestone joining them as they race the last 700. Tigerific, Royal Milestone is on the outside. Atoy for us racing third by about 2 lengths. And rounding the far turn, Royal Milestone by Hapalan Tigerific. Then here comes Atoy for us in third. And as they swing for home, Royal Milestone once again by the rails, Tigerific. Atoy for us racing on the outside, Tiago. Royal Milestone followed by Tigerific in second. And Atoy for us running in third. Royal Milestone, Tigerific once again by Drell. Royal Milestone by about 2 lengths now, Tigerific. And finally, Royal Milestone, Tigerific, Atoy for us, Tiago.